Hey friends, witches, muggles, and wizards. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel, DIY Savvy Mommy, and welcome if you're new here. Today I'm so excited and I'm going to share 3 fun Harry Potter inspired DIYs. I have been a Harry Potter fan since childhood and I can't wait to share all the fun stuff that I created today. So, if you're brand new to my channel, hello and welcome. And please hit the like button and do hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon for more fun DIYs coming soon every week. And let's begin with the first DIY. My first DIY is inspired from the first movie, wherein Harry is all set to board the Hogwarts Express and he's all confused about the platform 9 3/4. So to make this DIY, I took a circular wooden plug. You can also take a rectangular or a square wooden plug. And along with that, I also took a brick wall decoupage paper, and I cut it to shape and size of the circular wooden block, and then I glued it onto it. Next, I made a sketch of Harry Potter on paper, and then I'm going to use this as a template and create a clay Harry Potter with the help of air dry clay. I shaped the clay according to the template like so, and I worked my way around until the whole figurine was complete. You can see here how I am working my way through molding the clay and then putting it into shape to form the face, the body parts, the cloak, and the magic wand, and also the hair of Harry Potter. I took a small tool, that is an X-Acto knife, and with the help of that I just cut the pieces into shape and then carved it along. I was ensuring that I don't take a lot of clay to make the body parts, because too much clay would take a lot of time to dry and too little clay would just end up cracking. So a little bit of clay for the body parts, and I just press them with my fingers and shape them with the help of the X-Acto knife, and I'm just trying to put it according to the template. We're not gluing anything as of now. So this is my Harry Potter figurine almost complete. I also made a small magic wand on the hand, and I glued the brick wall paper on top with the help of white school glue, and I'm cutting the edges and folding it at the back so that the edges are nice, prim and proper. And the next step is to transfer the Harry Potter figurine and glue it on top of this wooden plaque. I carefully transferred the Harry Potter onto the brick wall and glued it with the help of school glue, and I let it dry for around 4 to 5 hours, or depends on the place where you're staying, because places with high humidity would take it longer for it to dry completely, but we need to ensure that it is completely dry before we start coloring it. I also made the pet owl of Harry on his one of his shoulder, and this is the figurine almost done. And then I started coloring it. Started with his hair and then the entire cloak, and once then the figurine was colored properly, and then I let it dry for a while. And then I took a printout of the 9 3/4 platform sign, and I placed it, glued it at the top, and finally I added wooden bead string in case I want to hang it. So finally here I'm adding the wooden beads in case I want to hang it. You can also put magnets at the back, and in case you want to use it as a fridge magnet, and also you can just leave it as is and use it as a tier tray decor. I think all the ways it looks really cute and so adorable. I really like how Harry turned out. So, friends, today I'm participating in the magical Harry Potter challenge, and it is hosted by La Parsha from the channel Creating It Myself. She is so creative. You will love her DIYs. I have linked her channel down in the description box. Do check her out, and also the amazing playlist that we have of all the other creators who are going to create amazing Harry Potter inspired DIYs. Don't miss the entire playlist. Just have a look and you are going to get a lot of inspiration if you want to decorate your house for Halloween. So moving on to the next DIY, I will also tell you about the giveaway that we have in a bit. So for my second DIY, I wanted to create this lovely Deathly Hallows sign. I really like this sign, and for that I took a small wreath form and also some bamboo skewers, and I'm going to create the triangle sign with the help of bamboo skewer. So it is an equilateral triangle with all the sides of the equal size, and also for the circle inside it I use the wreath form. I glued all the ends with the help of hot glue, and also the wreath form inside with the help of hot glue, and then I secured all the ends with jute twine so that I wrapped it nicely on all the three ends, and this gives me a nice secured shape that I wanted for this sign. And in the center also I added a vertical bamboo skewer. I glued three skewers together, and then I placed it at the center, and it runs vertical. And then I wrapped some greenery to decorate the sign. This is a kind of Deathly Hallows wreath that I am trying to create, and I added greenery, a little bit of florals, and some fall leaves on the top, and this is my Deathly Hallows wreath complete. For my last and final DIY, I created the pet owl of Harry, that is Hedwig, and for that I'm using the needle felting technique, and I took felt, and I'm going to just roll it into a tight ball like so. You can see how I'm just rolling it. I don't want to keep it fluffy, I just want to make it into a tight ball, so I'm just rolling it with the help of my fingers. And then I'm going to take the needle felting tool, that is the needle, and with that I'm going to just poke it up and down and several times, and with the help of that the felt is going to get stiffer, and it will come in shape. So you can see that I am just poking the needle several times at one spot, and I just want the needle to go until the very center of the ball that I have created just now. I don't want it to pass through it, but just until the center, and slowly you can see that the felt ball is taking shape. I want to have it as a circular shape, so I'm shaping it like that. So here I have created two balls, and to join them, one is for the body and one for the face, I am going to just poke from the top until starting from the first ball and reaching until the middle of the second ball. So this creates a kind of bond between both the felt that we have, and they are going to get entangled, and this is how I'm going to create the hedgehog owl with the help of this needle felting technique. I just poked a little bit more in the center because I wanted the ears to be a little bit more prominent, and slowly I'm going to add wings in blue color. With the same technique, I'm just going to poke the um, felt nicely, and then just going to add it on the sides, and then a little bit of black marks on the head of the owl, and slowly I'm going to poke the little buttons that I have for the eyes and the beak. So let me tell you about the giveaway right now. You can win the $50 Amazon gift card. To be eligible for the giveaway, you need to mention the secret word in the comment section below, and my secret word is muggles. And the chosen winner must be able to edit their comments and prove that they are not a bot or a scammer. And also, this giveaway is available globally. So this is a great way to win the $50 Amazon gift card, and all you need to do is just mention my secret word in the comment section below, and that's all. That's all that you need to do. So all the best, everybody. For the beak, I'm going to poke the needle on all the sides and not just on the center, because that will just make the felt disappear. So I'm just going to do a little bit on the corners, and it is all good to go. So this is Hedgehog the owl complete, and it looks really great sitting on the bird cage. And I also put some books, and I wrote potions and spells on top, and I put a small broom and a witch's hat on top, and I created these on in a previous video. I'm going to link that video in the description box. Let me know which out of the three DIYs was your favorite. For me, it was Hedwig the owl, and also the Harry Potter, the cute little Harry Potter. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching again, and I shall see you all very soon in the next video. Bye bye and take care.